Taking classes during the regular term. I hope those have started out well. I am posting this message to remind you that our class ends in 4 days, and your last required assignment is the second paper. So we do have the midterm available. We have the first exam, as you can see. And to find information about the paper, I suggest you use the class playlist on YouTube because there are about 3 different short videos of about 6 minutes that will help you understand the goals of the paper. However, we also have a few other items for the second paper that you should know about. So if you bear with me. Um, Also, I want to say quickly that I know the quiz about Kimberly Crenshaw is a pain in the neck. Blackboard marks it wrong if you don't make it exactly the way that I typed in the answer. So I apologize for that. It's just a pain, but just do the quiz and then save the answers. And then here in this folder about advertising, you find the discussion that can help you start talking about advertisements and how they work, links to the video, and in Black Sexual Politics, again, there is a list of things to do because you can write from the perspective of Black feminism or from the perspective using Kilbourn's critique of advertising to talk about the ethics of an advertisement that you will see in the YouTube videos. So here's our second paper folder. Oh, I am really sorry that this is. I had a problem with things being uh, not visible, and I know I made them visible, so it's just Blackboard tweaking because it's the first week of class. So if you click on the assignment, then uh, there are, there are links in here as well for your YouTube videos with instructions. Now, I know your paper looks a little bit different. However, you just will be able to type in a weird looking place that doesn't look like you should be able to type. And you have 6 attempts, so if you click things, it doesn't matter. It's not going to hurt anything. So here is the rubrics. You want to explain the ethics that the image conveys, whether they harm women. For example, if the ethical view is that an advertisement should entertain and make money, regardless of whether it creates unrealistic images of women, I think you could say that that ethical point of view harms women or that it's actually unethical. You want to use your active verbs as we've been talking about, and you want to use supporting evidence. So you you want to have your own perspective on what's happening in the image. You want to explain the image well and use your backup. Now, representations are an important part of gender, obviously. And the question is it ethical to represent women in unrealistic ways or in even dangerous ways? And, what would be the repercussions of that? The videos are obviously visual assignments, but you can also look at some of these sample assignments, and in this document, you can read the assignment details. The word count here is probably around 700. I'm not sure that I remembered to indicate it, but if you fulfill everything on the rubric, I don't care about your word count. I want good description, active verbs, good use of evidence, a smart point of view, and then we have lots of sample papers. Here is another example of some images you might want to use for analysis, but please use the images that are in the video. So hopefully this will help you find everything that you need to get your ideas for the paper. And of course, you can always ask me questions about it. This is a slide that I need to just obviously delete these files. Let's see. So this is a little bit more about the advertisement in visual form. And like I said, I need to update these files so that the initial information about Friday Focus isn't there. However, if you want to talk about any of these pajama ads or any of the high fashion ads that I posted in the other videos in our class YouTube playlist, you can use any of those. And then I know I need to do a lot of grading. I will try to get that all taken care of today so you have a better idea of where you stand. And I will tell you your approximate grade if you've turned everything in up to this point. So I will get back to you soon. I will email you about those grades, and hopefully this will help you find everything you need for the ways to write the paper. Have a great day.